want to share one of my favorite strategies for selling more of your books and other content, and that is using the power of previews. Now, books can tap into this because it's a very popular and effective concept that movies and TV shows use all the time with things like trailers and little advertisements. And what it is it's giving people some of the story or the meat of what you have available, and it's allowing them to take the next step and go through and find out more about it. So this works really well for getting people involved in all types of media, and not even just movies and TV shows, but I've been seeing it a lot for games, for video games, things like that, all types of stuff. So some of the ways you can do previews include creating a book trailer, and that is basically a video that highlights aspect of your books that are going to interest and excite people and have them learn more. So there's a lot of different types of book trailers that you can do, including slideshows, images and text, interviews, things along those lines. Another thing that you can do is you can include a preview inside your book description on your book description page. I've seen that a lot with fiction, where people will include a paragraph or two inside their book description. And you can even have it structured where it's one of the pages, a preview type page that people see when they click the look inside on their books on Amazon. Not only that, but Amazon will allow you to share up to 10% of your book, so you can use that as a preview for that and for other things. So for example, you could give away the first chapter of your book in different aspects. You can offer like a chapter or another preview in your blog posts, on your email list, on social media. So these are things that you want to do. You don't want to necessarily say, okay, well, they can't see any of my book unless they actually go buy it. You want to have things like maybe quotes, little sections, things along those lines, things that pique people's interests, So interesting facts and statistics, if you're doing nonfiction, if you're doing low content, maybe you give away or share a few of the pages, like you might have a planner page or a journal page or something like that. And this is a tried and true technique that's used by a wide variety of people who sell books and other types of products. Is they want to incite curiosity and get people to say, hey, this looks like it could be something for me. I want to check it out a little bit further. It's kind of like fishing. You got to put some bait on the fish hook to get people to nibble. They're not just necessarily going to nibble with you telling them, go buy my book. So if you'd like to learn more specifics about using previews, you can check out the blog post below.